Because the church's hope,
ngoba ithemba lethu
all denominations,
wonke amaqhiqa wethu
their hope is in us,
ithemba labo likuthi
that will help them
uba sawubanceda
from the predicament in which they are.
engxakini abakuyo.
And now if we are lost,
Xa silahlekile ke
they are lost.
nabo balahlekile,
There's no hope.
akho themba.
The chiefs,
Amakhosi,
the governments, the
ohulumeni,
nations
izizwe
have their hope in us,
zinethemba labo ukuthi
that we will save their countries.
ukuba siyawusindisa amazwe abo.
But if we go
Kodwa xa sihamba
and cause more trouble
sinathi sidale ezinye ingxaki,
and cause more immorality,
sidale ukonakala okuningi,
the hope is gone.
ithemba lifile.